Okay, folks, so it's been quite a while since I bought this. I've used it a few times, off and on, but I have not been using it regularly. Now that you can see that my beard is growing in a lot more, I mean it's a lot fuller, and I want to see how this works now. I actually have this all the way turned up. It's at 392. Wow, that seems hot. So I'm going to put it down to 366. I don't know. I have on my reading glasses. I still can't make out. Anyway, I put it on the medium, on the lower setting. But it's been on the highest setting for a while, for a few minutes. I don't remember if I'm supposed to have damp hair or if I'm supposed to put, I think I'm supposed to put oil. I don't know. But it works. Yeah. Seems to definitely add some control. Control. All right, thanks for watching the video this far. Let me just tell you really quickly a few things about this. As you can see, this is a rather small looking device. This heated brush, I think I like the way it fits in my hands. It is light, and I like that it has this cord which rotates 360 degrees. Keeps the cord obviously from tangling. I bought this for less than $19 on Amazon.com. When I last checked, it was $23 and something cents. Either way, it's, I think, a good deal. As I indicated, there are two settings, but let me see, I have it here. The first setting is 356 degrees Fahrenheit, and then the next setting, the highest setting, is 392 degrees. So this warms up very quickly, less than a half a minute, and it's warm, and it has anti-scalding teeth. I guess you could call this a heated comb or a heated brush. It's more of a brush that has the low profile or the low teeth and multiple rows of teeth. It's a brush, and it has ion technology, whatever that is. I have somewhat of an understanding, but in any event, you can Google it. Maybe you already know about it. This does a good job at not only straightening the hair, but also it's good for adding volume, and overall this is a great heated brush. Now that my hair is longer, I think I can benefit from it more, because I have fine hair, and if my hair was thicker when I was using this when it was short, it might be easier to see the improvement. But now that my hair is longer, I can see how it lays down nicely, and it straightens the hair better. Yeah, it's a great brush. So I'm going to use this a little bit more, and I think that this is going to be even better for me when my hair is even a little longer. And I really like, I think you can see in the video when I brush it up and then you brush back down, it adds volume. And by the way, as an aside, I'm really trying to grow. For you fellas out there, I know you can relate, fellows who are beardsmen. You know, there's always wrestling with getting the neckline right. It's either too high, too low, and so forth for some people, at least as I understand it. And I think it's not very high, but I want it to be a little bit lower. And I think I mentioned that because I think I'll have even added benefit, added volume, and then I'll be able to even make the beard more substantial and add more volume using this when the time comes, once this has grown in. In any event, having said all that, I want to just thank everyone for watching so far. This was a long video. But you know, my videos, by the way, I put vlog up on the top because it's more, even though it may seem like a review, it's more of a vlog style, and overall the channel, I think, is a vlog style channel, a journal of just the various things that are interesting to me and so forth. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. You all take care of yourselves, and I'm out. Suavington.